Think about this for a second. If you got into a plane and started flying around Earth without stopping, it would take more than 40 hours just to make one trip around the planet. And that's flying hundreds of miles every hour. Our planet might look small on a map, but the truth is, Earth is huge. So in this video, we are going to look at how big Earth really is and compare it to the Moon, the Sun and even the universe. And some of the numbers might surprise you. Earth is a giant round planet floating in the space. If you could go straight through the middle of Earth from one side to the other, the distance would be about 7,900 miles. That is called the diameter of Earth. But the distance around Earth is even more bigger. If you traveled all the way around the planet at the equator, the distance would be about 24,901 miles. That means Earth is almost 25,000 miles around. To imagine that distance, think about driving a car 60 miles per hour. Even if you never stopped, it would still take more than 70 days to drive around the planet. And of course, that's impossible in real life. But Earth is mostly water. There is something interesting. Even though Earth is huge, most of it is actually water. About 71% of our planet is covered by oceans. That means if aliens looked at Earth from space, they might call it the water planet. The Pacific Ocean alone is so big that all the continents could fit inside it, and there would still be a space left. Let's compare Earth to the Moon. The Moon is about 2,100 miles wide. Earth is about 7,918 miles wide, so Earth is almost 4 times bigger than the Moon. But here's something even more interesting. If Earth were hollow, you could fit about 50 moons inside it, and the Moon itself is about 200,000 miles away from Earth. Exactly 238,900 miles away from Earth. That means you could travel around Earth almost 10 times just to reach the Moon. Now, things start to get really crazy. The Sun is about 865,000 miles wide. That means you could line up 109 Earths across the Sun. But the most surprising fact is this: about 1.3 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. So even though Earth feels huge to us, compared to the Sun, it is actually very small. But the Sun is just one star. Our galaxy, called the Milky Way, has more than 100 billion stars. And the scientists believe there are billions of galaxies in the universe. That means our planet is just a tiny dot in a very big universe. Some scientists even believe there could be billions of planets like Earth out there. But so far, Earth is the only one we know that has life. So even though Earth might seem small compared to space, it is still an amazing planet, a world almost 25,000 miles around, filled with oceans, mountains, forests, animals, and billions of people. And right now, it is the only home we have, which makes it a pretty special place in this enormous universe.